Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use LWEX.com for beginners on your phone. So LWEX.com is an exchange where you can basically long and short your crypto. So if you have any trading knowledge, even as a beginner, you can use this platform. But this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. So always do your own diligence while choosing any of the platforms where you trade, plus any of the investments that you make. So here, in order to use lwex.com, first you need to create your account here. So open your web browser and search for LWEX exchange. Then you will find the first link from lwexexchange.com. So you need to simply click on it. Now in order to create your account here, click on the explore more option and fill out this form that includes your email address and verification of your email, and then your password, and you need to confirm your password. After doing so, you will have to simply log in into your account, and once you are successfully logged in, the interface or the home page of this exchange will look something like this. Now over here, first of all, in order to make the trades, you will have to deposit some money into it. For that, simply press the recharge option, select the currency which you want to basically deposit, select the network, and after that simply use this QR code and the deposit address in order to deposit some USDT in your account. Then you can use that USDT in order to basically trade your favorite exchange or your cryptocurrency. Here on the home page, you will see various pairs, and now you will have to select the pair which you want to basically long or short. So after clicking on it, you will see a time frame in the top. So this is the 1 minute time frame of this chart. So you can just use it as per your own convenience and your trading style. Afterwards, if you see that market will go down, you will have to press the short button in the bottom right hand corner and your short order will be placed. If you see that market will go up, you will have to simply press the long option and then your order will be placed. All of your placed orders will be able to see in this orders section, and all of your current positions will be in this current section. Once your order is completed successfully with hit or miss, you will see its history here and all the number of trades in the trades tab. If you face any kind of problem while using the exchange, you can simply come on the home page and press this contact us option, and then you will be landed on their Telegram page where you can basically contact them. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.